For today's viewing, we will check another foreclosed condo here in Taguig City near BGC. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Grace Residences in Barangay Ususan at malapit lang siya sa Taguig City Hall, Vista Mall, and BGC. So this is the unit, 1 bedroom, 27.33 square meters, around 3.6 million regular price, and discounted price for approval is around 3.3 million or 118,000 per square meter. Meron siyang balcony facing city view, and as you can see, medyo makalat lang at madumi, pero lilinisin naman po yan upon turnover. But overall, the unit is in good condition and livable status. But we still encourage you to bring your architect or engineer upon viewing to check the property that we are showing, because as is where is po tayo upon turnover. Submission of offer is usually first come first serve. But pag masyadong maraming nagsabit ng offer, discretion na po ng management to conduct a bidding and award the property to the highest bidder, which is more likely to happen because this property is below market value. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 30% spot down payment upon approval of our offer and 70% balance through in-house financing exclusive of taxes and fees. Ang maganda pa sa condo na to, aside from its resort type amenities, meron din siyang sariling mall for your groceries and other personal needs. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, please message us directly.